Kinong panya jong ka school ba Nehu bakantup ya Vice Chancellor jong ka te school ba kila Pynshai batang Naka Khubor jong ki kimpatla banle Eiei halor ka Jingdawa jong kinong tre kiba hapo ka lama jong ka All Nehu Workers Union ban ithu no yaki kum kinong tre bapura bat ban siu tulap kham he yaki kam kiba kitre ha ka jingalang ka bala pelong mentakas ngi ka khatnyau terik unailar u Vice Chancellor la Pynshai halor kiba bun kimat bat kisithi ki bawla yo pediang na ke ANWU uloong ban Naka liang jongki kum kinong penya kinyale kat bala ban penpoi ya ka sithi shaka ministry halor ka Jingdawa jongki ban regularize andala dap ban lumban lang ya baro ki jingtem uloong ba ya ka tulop jongki la siu khadu ha ka arpo arterik ujiliu bat shen an sa pelat no ya ka tulop ka barang sa.
But we cannot go beyond the rules of the government. On the basis of only the 10 years, we can't change their positions. Traveling expenses, overtime allowances, accident expenses, maternity leave, sick leave, etc. will be considered as per rules. The university is already paying the dearness allowance to the casual workers under variable dearness allowance VDA as per the notification issued by the government from time to time. Next is issuance of ID card to all the casual workers will be considered in the pattern of card issued to other workers, public helpers coming from works in-house in the campus. With regard to correction of the joining date in the DPF and ESI record will be examined under the norms. Medical facilities to the casual workers will be considered as per rules. Safety kits will be provided to specific employees as and when required during the time of duty.
Habaya keren badu Presiden ke ANWU hadian ke Jingalang ulapan pau ya ke Jingdaw da ka ba kadau ba uong balada kimon hi bandra ya ke Jingdawa jongki shaka ministry kidon ya kabor ulaong banakaliang jongki kindang ya beteng ya ke Jingaki tat hadu bandayo ya ki Jingdawa
tanakaliang visi uang belum bahalor corporation long kidang pun kamenta belum belum di Islam berkreat corporation nakaliang jungi ngilengo ke berbahalor belum hadu menta kemudian kono communication sengi ngilap bae kata kalau ba kebakaso lengo abhi kalau menta sengi ke presles IVC mo hari kum jitip jungu visi persang meeting si senro do menta katu por balda bakasan teri belum meeting tang sana minit lami ina kemudian kan sengi belum meeting ha bangi bresni ne tashkan taro ne kemudian ka senro belum ong ar license meeting bangi keluar kan isu menta sengi nakalian jungi i pendram kalau kata kajing kalau kajing keren jung visi kan kalau kita corporation bajing I press release apa kelapa tengena kalian jungi ro lada ki nakalian ki berbolor kiai kan tips kemat mentikaan tengi roh biar mentikaan he dalam kalian lele ro kinam ailat daler mono banyon ki hok jing berberia ki bateri apa nama.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.